Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt with TAV. We're here today to talk about the Dirtbox 270 awning. This is one of our favorite awnings out there. Not only is it easy to install, but it provides great shelter and it has some cool unique features. It's super strong. Like even if you're in some wind and you don't have the legs down and you get a big gust, the bracket on it is really strong. So it's a very well built awning that we're super stoked to be running, and it's one of our favorites. So let's jump on in. So you can get this awning from us and we can install it for you, or we can have it shipped to you and you can install it. It's really not that bad. You can get it either for the passenger side of your vehicle like I have it, or you can get it for the driver's side. It just depends on what you want to have your awning, so what side you want to have it on. For me, I have this window that slides open here, and if I'm sleeping and at night and it starts to rain or something, I want to be able to have some protection. So that's why I ran the awning on this side. That's pretty much the only reason why I chose this side. But to open it up, let's show you how easy that is to set up. So here it is all set up. Pretty easy. You just undo the retention straps here, open it up, tie it off on the other side. One thing I'll get closer and show you too is you've got lighting already integrated in this. So they give you a harness, so you can do like a 12-volt adapter or a USB, and you just plug them into these ports. So you can run all three or just one, which is awesome, depending on what kind of light you want. All right, so making it a little darker so you can kind of see the lighting. So if I unplug it, it's off, on. It's pretty bright out. Try and show you a little bit more of that. But anyway, like I said, you can do that on all three. You've got the lighting strips that run all the way along the edge of each of the supports. And again, you don't have to, the pulls down is nice, and you can tie those down to give you more stability. But if you want to, you can just leave them up and let this freestand, and you have a lot of room. It's got a little peg here that you can put up so that the rain doesn't pool on it. It helps run it off and everything. You've also got a nice little storage kit here that you can put various things in if you need to. So all in all, really awesome. Another one of the features that they have is there's Velcro all the way around. So if you want to buy their wall kit and completely wall off your awning area, you have a whole huge room that you can actually like live in at camp. So I'll probably end up getting that at some point for this truck, but yeah, this is a really awesome awning. We absolutely love what they're doing, and again, it's really strong. I'll even put up the post here. It's a little windy out. I've been getting some gusts while I've been filming this, so we'll see what this shows. But so there it is, freestanding. You've got, it can take a good amount of jiggling, and this bracket right here is built really strong, really well designed. So again, this is the Dirtbox 270 awning. You can pick it up on our website or add it to one of your builds. You can use the code that's in the description down below to save 5%, and that 5% is good on anything Dirtbox. So if you want to get a full canopy camper or a flatbed canopy camper setup, that 5% will save you quite a bit. So it works for any of the dropship items. It works for anything coming to our shop to build. So check out that code below on the Dirtbox stuff. And thanks for watching.